Well, hello, folks. We're here in my shop, and what I'm thinking about doing is tearing Maslow down. I could use them rollers somewhere else. The space I could use for all kinds of stuff. The next thing is my lumber rack. I gotta do something else with it. And I'm gonna go ahead and box her up. Somebody wanted Maslow. I can make her a real deal. But I'm gonna go ahead and that's the one that goes to, from back here, it's on my right. This one right here is on my left. And coming from the machine is this one right here. Then that's the power. That's as simple as it gets right there. So this is the place where Maslow was. It took up this whole door. I hadn't used it in 3 years. But when I bought it, I didn't have a whole lot in it. It was for just $500, and then you purchased the wood to make the frame, and it had really good instructions on how to put this thing together. And I made some projects with it, but it did tell me that I wanted to get a CNC for myself. Like I say, at the time, it was $2,500 to get one that's 30-inch square that you could do. But I found this Longmill, some young men up in Canada making this, and it was $1,200, and it's a 30 by 30 is what you could do. And the thing about it is, it's been a real good one. I've had it now for about 3 years, and it's done everything I've asked it to, and it's very accurate. But the thing about it is that Maslow showed me that I wanted a CNC. If some reason I felt like I didn't, I'm $500. I mean, it's $500, but it ain't like spending $2,500. Just then you don't, you know, you wished you hadn't. So, got me some room in the shop now. We got her tore down, and but Maslow made a good product right there for what it was worth. It was excellent. They had they got a community on the internet that they share projects, stuff like that, and that's where this card I've got at my CNC now, that's where I got it. They had it on the internet community, and you can share projects. It's pretty neat. This is my long mill. I got it sitting on a desk. Long mill does a good job. Put me some cartridge. I got a dust collector right there. It does pretty good for the dust collection, but I tell you, it's a good little CNC machine. I am. Yeah, I like it. Got my little dust collection right there. Turn up, hooks in, all works like a champ. As far as this YouTube is concerned, I'm new at it. I'm still learning. Hopefully I get better at it. I'm just not comfortable in front of the camera like this. Like I say, practice. Everyone says practice, you'll get better at it. And I hope it will, but time will tell. And if I keep doing this YouTube channel, keep it going, I'm gonna have to get better at it. As far as making projects, I can come down in a fraction of the time and make a project. Time you set the camera up and move it and get this shot and do it, it takes, a project that would take an hour to do would take 5 or 6 hours. So one would have to want to do this YouTube thing to, you know, as far as the woodworking projects. I mean, I enjoy woodworking, always have. But I might have to get to where I enjoy this YouTube thing. But I don't know. I hope y'all bear with me. And maybe I'll get better at it. Thank you.